Hello friends, welcome to Happy Kitchen. Today I'm here with a video of Father's Day recipes. Father's Day is coming on 21st June. These recipes are very quick and easy, can be made instantly by kids also for their loving father. I hope you enjoy this video. Please watch it fully and please like, share and subscribe for more such interesting videos. So let us start. First I'll be showing you 1 minute cookie. For that I have taken 2 spoons sugar and 2 spoons melted butter and I'll be mixing it properly as shown in the video. Once it mixes, we'll be adding 1 spoon oil. Okay, after 1 spoon oil, I'll be taking 3 tablespoons wheat flour or all-purpose flour, anything whichever you want you can add it. And these are all measurements with 1 spoon only, so it is very easy, very instant cookie which can be easily made by the kids for their father. So this is a very quick and easy recipe. Now we'll mix everything together and we can add choco chips also and bring everything together. Do it very softly, okay, don't be very harsh. See, the cookie dough is ready. Now place the cookie dough on the butter paper and press it according to the shape you need. I have given it a minimum round shape and please seal the sides so that it doesn't crack while baking. Okay, once it is done, you can add additional choco chips on the top for decorating, or kids as you wish you can do. Now place it in the microwave at high power for 1 minute. We need to bake it in the 30-second shot. See, our cookie is ready. I hope you will like it very much. Try this once, it tastes really yummy. See how crispy and beautifully it has baked. The next instant sweet I am showing you is biscuit cocoa laddu. For that we will be taking biscuit of our choice. I have taken 1 packet of Parle-G biscuits and I will be breaking them into pieces and I will grind them into a fine powder. Next I am taking coconut and I will grind this also. So let us start by taking biscuit fine powder, adding 1 tablespoon milk powder, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon melted butter and 1 tablespoon milk. These are also measurements with 1 spoon only. Mix everything properly and form a smooth dough as shown. See, our biscuit dough is ready. Keep it aside. Now mix the grated coconut with 1 tablespoon of milk powder and mix it and keep it aside. Once it is done, take the biscuit dough as shown and roll it into a small circle, and we will be using coconut for the filling as shown right here, and do as shown in the video. Wow, our instant biscuit laddu is ready. See kids, it looks so yummy and tasty. You can really try this out. Next I'll be showing you few snacks. Please do follow the video, it's quite easy and instant. I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour or wheat flour. I'll be adding salt and kalonji and 2 tablespoons of melted butter and mix everything nicely to form a smooth batter. Like roti or chapati dough you can make it. Okay, I have used half cup of water for 2 cups of wheat flour. Okay, now let it set for 10 minutes as shown. Next we will be preparing the stuffing. For that I have taken 2 to 3 big onions and I will stir fry the onions for 5 minutes. And once it is ready, I'll keep it aside. Now in a big mixing bowl, I have taken 3 big potatoes. They have been boiled and I am going to mash them. Add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 cup of cut coriander. In that add the stir fried onions which we had kept ready. and in that I'll be adding salt, chili powder, turmeric powder as per your taste, and lastly we'll be adding crushed kasuri methi to it. It gives a very nice flavor. Now mix everything together as shown in the video. After mixing, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or wheat flour and mix it. Now rub some oil in your hands and form the dough shape as needed. We are going to make rolled samosa, right? So we'll be making this in oval shape. See, our stuffing is ready. Keep it aside, and now we will start rolling out our dough. Take one portion of the dough and start kneading it for 5 minutes and start rolling it out as shown in the video. Roll it in the size enough so that it fits the stuffing. Now see, I have taken the measurement of one oval shaped dough. I'll be cutting it into long stripes as shown. Roll out smoothly as shown in the video. And wow, our rolled samosa is ready. Now with the second portion of the dough, we'll be making aloo tacos, okay? For that, take the second portion of the dough and roll it as shown and make circles of your size choice, okay? I have taken a small cup and making circles with that. I'll be cutting circles as shown. Now roll out the circles even more to make it thin. The thin it is, the more crispy and tasty it will be. The kids will love it actually. So now we'll be roasting it on medium flame for 1 to 2 minutes, that's all. See, lightly some bubbles are appearing on the top. It means it has been done. Now take it out and keep it separately. Similarly do all the tacos. Now we are ready to make it. Do as shown in the video. We have made all the stuffed tacos as shown in the video. It is ready to be get stir fried. Okay friends, now let us start frying these tacos as shown in the video. You have to do shallow fry, okay? It will not take more than 2 minutes. See how crispy and lovely color has come. So friends, I hope you liked the video and you will be trying all the 4 items surely. Please do like, share and subscribe for more such interesting videos. I'll be back with one more interesting such video. Up till then, bye bye and have a lovely Father's Day.